Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix missed call notification that won't go away on Android. If you are missing missed call notifications, so let's see how can you fix the problem. For this, you just have to keep a long press on your phone call app and then tap on app info and then it will open in your settings. But if you won't get it here, so go back, open settings. In settings, scroll down and look for apps. Tap on apps and here you just have to select for phone app. Just look for it and here's that. Tap on it and here you have an option of notification. Just tap on it and here you have to make sure that these all options are enabled in your phone. And after enabling these all options, you won't go away or not miss any missed call notification. So that's how you can fix missed call notification. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.